Designed for imperfect sealing surfaces, engineered and manufactured specifically for the repair environment to help seal imperfect sealing surfaces. Sealing technologies, exclusive sealing innovations and technologies with proprietary materials and unique design features to ensure a superior seal for your repair. Engineering expertise. Parts are designed, reviewed, validated and approved by FelPro engineers through rigorous research and development. Real-world tested. Parts are tested on vehicle and validated to ensure optimal performance on the road. Every part for the repair. FelPro gasket sets include every part needed for the repair unless otherwise noted. FelPro gaskets offer 100% vehicle sealing with application-specific materials to give you sealing solutions with the performance and durability professionals trust. Top reviews from the United States. Great gaskets. These work great. Put on Edelbrock RPM LS1 intake. Fits great, felt it covered gaps well. With guides on corner, easy to ensure they are out on correctly.